Happy Sunday, everyone. Steve with Hambo Investments. I'm going to do my passive income report for August 2019. This is the second month. I did one for July 2018, and after I did it, I realized that I didn't put everything on last month's. There was some other passive incomes that I didn't realize that I was actually getting. So let's kind of get into the report, and I'll go over each one. So this was my last month. I did, had M1 Finance, Fundrise, Lending Club, and affiliates, affiliate links that I received. And some of the other things I didn't think that I'm getting which is truly passive income, is interest I'm receiving and a different app I'm getting. There's also, I got a 401k, but I'm going to stop there. I'm not going to put that on there, even though it is passive income, because I'm generating probably around $10 a day in income off that, even though I'm not going to be able to see it until I retire, and that's the main reason I'm not going to put it on there. But I'm going to include a lot of the things that I'm actively working outside of my 401k that will generate passive income. So let's get into the first one. I got M1 Finance, my tax account, and this one I earned only $8.11 in dividends for this last month. And that was mainly because I took most of the money out of M1 Finance, my taxable account, to buy a home and have the money available for a down payment and to do some upgrades in the home and remodeling in the home. So that is the first one. The next one is the IRA. The IRA, I had $114.07 for the month of July. So that's on pace to what I did last month. I'm doing something a little different, which you can see one of my other videos where I kind of show you where I'm going to buy more shares as the ex-dividend date approaches. So that should create more timely growth to my dividends. But we'll see. Give it about a year to see if I'm really seeing an effect on that. M1 Finance, for those of you that don't know, is just a stock platform similar to Robinhood. The only difference with M1 Finance is you can buy fractional shares instead of Robinhood, where you have to buy full shares, and then you earn the dividends and growth in those stocks. But it's a commission-free way to do it, which I highly recommend. I will keep a link down below for all these investments that I'm showing you. If you're interested in any of them, please click on the links, and I will get a small, affiliate, commission on some of them. Some I don't see anything on. M1 Finance is one that I do see a small portion, and you do as well. So it's a little bonus to your account. But again, do your own research before you put your own money. This is just my accounts and what I'm doing. So the next thing, Fundrise, I'm only adding it as I'm actually earning these incomes, and Fundrise does a quarterly dividend, so that's why in July I got $97, so August and September I'm not going to get it quarterly, and then my next one will be October. So that should be a big boost, every 3 months for my passive income report. The next one is Lending Club, $10.50, and this one would be a lot more. But minus the losses of the charged off loans. I'm having a whole bunch of charged off loans lately with Lending Club. So it really hits the bottom line. I mean, last year I didn't have, I think, one charged off towards the end of the year, but that was my only charged off. And I made roughly $1,200 in interest last year off Lending Club. And this year I'm only year to date $222, because I would be at $522, but look at all those charge offs. So $10.50 for the month. And so the next things we're going to show my interest in Canada is $133.16, and yes, that has been converted. It was $175.45 at the current conversion rate. That puts it at $133.20. The interest in the U.S. was $14.72. Bumped is it's an app where you can. It's hard to explain. You basically get stock for buying certain things. So say you have Starbucks. Starbucks is one of them that I have in there, but it basically has a whole bunch of different categories, and you get to pick one place from each category. So they have like a Starbucks one, which is in one of the categories. I buy that, and every time you link your credit cards to it, and every time you buy it, you get a percentage back in stock for that company. So the main ones I'm seeing it from is Starbucks and Walmart. And this month I had $3.54, and you should see that up here in the corner. I'll kind of do a screenshot of that, and I'll leave a link down below. Bumped is one of them that I don't receive anything on, but I'll leave it down below. Basically what it does is the link puts you on the waiting list to be able to get involved with Bumped, and it's really I really like it just because it's something that you can earn completely passive, and just over time it'll get, and you actually also earn dividends off of that, as you can see in the screenshot. I think this month I earned 3 cents in Starbucks, but I've only had it for 6-7 months, and I already have like I don't know, $35 ish that I've earned off it. So over the course of years, it should turn into some good amount. This month I did not have any affiliate links. Like I said, if you're interested, please click link down below. It really does help the channel, but again, do your own research. And I do these videos for myself and to help you guys in investments. I'm not looking for any of these extra affiliate links, but like I said, it does help, so it's a bonus. YouTube channels, Hambo Investments, Hambo Hunts. Those I don't think I'll add to the passive income report, even if when I do start earning money, just because it's really not that passive. You are working pretty actively, to generate income off YouTube. Yes, it can become passive, based on the work you do prior, but it's not completely passive like most of these where you just put money in, you don't have to do anything really, and you're getting the passive income. So based on last month, I am up $284.10, but if I would have included the interest the last month, I would have been well ahead. Fundrise quarterly actually put me ahead, but like I said, I probably would have been closer to $140, about $420 last month if I would have included everything. So I hope you enjoyed this. The goal is always to increase the passive income, and yeah, I'm on a good pace, and hopefully 500 is the next goal. So take care. Happy investing out there. Bye.